Do you want to try Snapchat in action? In this video, I'll walk you through how to download and install the Snapchat app. Note that this tutorial covers installation on in iPhone, but the process should be relatively similar for the other device. Let's get started. To download Snapchat, open your device App Store. Tap the search icon at the bottom and the type Snapchat in the search bar at the top. When the Snapchat app appears in the search results, select it. Now click on the Get button to download the app for free. If prompted, enter your password or use Touch ID or Face ID to confirm the download. Snapchat will start the installation process, which may take a few minutes. Once the installation is complete, click the Open button to launch the Snapchat app. That's all it takes to download and install Snapchat on your device. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by subscribe to my channel. I release a new video tutorials like this one every week. Thanks for watching.